having an open mind. You have to be open to feedback, good and bad, and you have to improve, and you have to be able to collaborate with others. That's very important.
Moving on to the next question, apart from the technical skills and the statistical concepts that we have talked about so far, what other qualities have helped you in moving forward in corporate? So, if you can put some light on that, having a relevant experience of more than 2 years now, what do you think are the qualities that can help somebody?
Yeah. So other than the hardcore subject expertise as well as the technical expertise, for example, R or Python, SQL, other than this, definitely because industry is a team game, is a people's game, you are solving real life problems. It's definitely, I think soft skills are very important, if not more important than the technical skills. Because at the end of the day, you are working in a team and you have to collaborate with others, and you have to make sure that your teammates are also winning along with you. So that's very important. So here the main thing is having an open mind. You have to be open to feedback, good and bad, and you have to improve, and you have to be able to collaborate with others. That's very important. Second thing is to understand where the firm is going. So whenever you are attending a meeting, let's say from a team leader or CEO, you have to understand what they are trying to do, where why. So basically it's kind of a ship that is sailing. You have to understand what is the direction we're going. So that's very important. And in corporate, like in when you're in college, sometimes we're doing independent projects, but in corporate it's like sometimes you're continuing on some other project that others have done. So it's very understand, it's very important to also whatever work you are doing. So for example, if you're writing some code, you have to make sure it's well commented, and it's not only for you, but it will be reused, and you have to understand like the kind of library of content you have already in your farm. If you can improve it, if you can add something to it. So that perspective is also very important, like what is the long term view. So in college, whatever project I'm doing, it's only for me and my professor mostly, and maybe I'm writing a post on that on LinkedIn or anything.
Right.
But then in corporate, it's like there is a story going on and you are a character in that. You have to make sure you are a cog in the wheel, just to say, but you have to make sure like you understand where we are going, and you are actually, yeah, that's something. Another thing I'll say is the main difference is that because we are solving real life problems, we have to understand whatever impact we will have on the end consumer. So sometimes we might see that some decision, it might be good from a pure economic perspective, but from a long term goodwill perspective, it might not be the best decision. So we are not only chasing the, let's say, a 90% accuracy or a 95% R square, but rather we are chasing some at the end of the day to provide some value to the customers, to
Right.
provide some value to the end users. So that perspective is also very important. Like we are actually working for some people, we are solving some problems. So that perspective definitely helps.
Right. So,